how to voice over in VN video editor. Now let's get started. First and foremost, open up the VN application in your mobile device. Now you have to import a video, or else you can simply go with the draft video as well. Now let's import a video from the device. Once you have your video in this timeline, now under this timeline at the very top there you will have an option to add music. So tap on add music. After you do that, a menu bar will pop up with three options. You can add music or you can add effect, and there is a last option to record. So simply tap on record. Now you have to allow access to VN editor to record the video. Then tap on while using the app. Now you can simply tap or press and hold to record this red record button on your interface, and you can do the voiceover. So that's how you can voice over in video editor application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.